A poor, hungry, homeless, jobless monkey walks slowly through the stalls. His stomach growls. He looks at bread, fruits, snacks, checks the prices. His pocket is empty, not a single penny. People eat and laugh around him. No one notices his hunger. The monkey looks left, right, fear in his eyes. Suddenly, snatch! He grabs food from a stall and runs. People shout, sirens scream. The FBI rushes in. Caught red-handed. Food falls to the ground. Next scene, jail cell. The monkey sits silently, hungry and sad.